po yung year level chairman at ang trainer para sa pagtanggap ng inyong prize. Ang third runner-up po ay i-award ni Ginoong Harold de la Cruz, ang ating PTA Vice President.
At ang second runner-up ay ang fourth year. Tinatawagan yung fourth year, yung coordinator ng fourth year. Ay, ito na si Ma'am Gandan, saka si Felix.
Be awarded by Mr. Carlito Adopon.
Okay, ang first runner-up, tatawagin yung first runner-up, then hindi tatawagin nyo na yung champion. Okay, ang first runner-up, nagpipictorial pang fourth year. Mamaya na daw kasi uulan. Okay, ang first runner-up, walang iba kung hindi ang second year. At ang champion ay ang third year.